Hi and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Wednesday the 29th of January. We're going to be looking at cable now. Certainly the cable chart had a bit of a dip yesterday on the back of that disappointing GDP. Well, I say disappointing, I mean, it was in line, but the expectation had been perhaps that it was going to be a strong number, and the market took that a little bit negatively. But if you look on the daily chart, there's absolutely no impact whatsoever on the strong outlook on this chart. The moving averages are all trending higher. This uptrend remains fairly positively intact. The momentum indicators all in positive configuration, so this daily chart has had no impact whatsoever really on the bullish outlook. Moving to intraday as well, it hit that peak of 166.67 on the 24th of Jan, and yesterday what we saw was a peak out at 166.24. But what we've actually seen is now a slightly overbought, on the hourly chart anyway, slightly overbought RSI, unwinding nicely. This MACD is nicely in bullish configuration and beginning to turn higher as well. So I think that the outlook remains positive on this chart. You've seen a higher low potentially in place there at 165.58. That I think you probably be using as a floor now, certainly with this moving average turning higher, which is the 55-hour moving average, and sort of being used as the basis of support now. So the 165.58 is the basis of a bit of an intraday support. The key level on the intraday is now 65.34, but I think this we're going to see upside pressure at some stage today, maybe on that 166.24 once more. Obviously, as with euro dollar, the big news today is going to be this FOMC meeting result at 7 o'clock this evening, and that could have an impact on cable, but certainly the technicals are suggesting a little bit of an intraday push on that high that we saw yesterday, and certainly if that breaks, we're back towards a test of that 166.67 high as well. So those are the two levels that you need to be watching out for on the upside. But certainly I think in front of this FOMC meeting result, the cable chart looks fairly positive for a bit further upside. Certainly the test of these levels anyway. So that's what I'm looking out for today. Thank you for listening, and I hope you get a chance to look at the other charts on our website for euro dollar, dollar yen, gold, and our chart of the day, which is dollar Turkish lira. The big moves on that chart. Anyway, so good luck with your trading, cable, and I will speak to you later.